Hey everyone, here's a pro tip for all small content creators to make your videos look better. So, you want to come on here, it's this by the way, click camera settings, and this, you can leave that alone, I'll figure out, okay, go to more settings, and bitrate. If you want it to look super good like my other Beat Saber level, use 14 Mbps and frame rate 60 frames per second. Image stabilization, which is really high. You can switch this to your right eye if you want. And this, I'm not really sure, but yeah, I just leave this alone. I'll try this later on another video. Yeah, no, that's how you get your all your camera stuff to look good. And yeah, that's it. See you later.